Hello, everybody. Kata, thanks for redeeming. Put on the hat. Where is the hat? Oh, there it is. Let's put this on, shall we? Hello, everybody. Hope you are having an excellent day. Hello, Tech. Welcome on in. I am firing up Zelda. Sorry for the late start today. I had familial, father-like obligations to take my daughter somewhere. Hold on a second. I'm not happy with the lighting. Let me fix the lighting. There, that feels a little bit better. Hey, Charles, how's it going? It's been a day. I woke up, I went to work, I turned on Beta 64, and I had a shocking moment. I am impressed with today's announcements from Nintendo. I was surprised that we didn't get Tears of the Kingdom DLC. So that was a little disappointing. But other than that, Super Mario RPG has me very intrigued. Very intrigued. You see the announcement I posted in games earlier? Don't know if you ever play that Star Ocean for PS1, but they're finally doing a remastered Star Ocean 2. I did see that as well. That one, I don't know. I wasn't. I don't. The lineup was. I don't know. I have weird. I mean, Star Ocean's PlayStation 5, but all of the Nintendo announcements today. Did I ever finish RPG? I mean, I have in my life. I didn't finish it on stream. What is this link? Hold on. Hi, Cash. How's it going?
But before I do that, I have something to show you. I went to Walmart today, and I hope no one who follows JJDB is in chat right now, because I found these.
No!
Like Dots pretzels.
No!
Big on flavor. They're not garlic knots. Hey guys, check this out! And I just have a plate of freshly cooked garlic knots.
Wait. Was
Before
that?
I do that,
Was that
I have
today's
something to
stream?
show you.
Was that today's stream that he did Snyder's Twisted? I mean, we tried Snyder's Twisted. That was like 5 minutes ago. Okay, I can't get that mad. We tried Snyder's Twisted on stream. Here's where he's gonna get in trouble though. Has he opened them and eaten them on stream and made the mistake of saying he likes them better than Dots pretzels? Because that could be a thing. He's eating. Okay, hold on. Okay, now I gotta get out of this mode here. Let me put it back here for just a second. This is not proper. Not proper, but we're going to do this. Hold on. We're gonna unmute him.
This tastes like something they would have eaten in 1909, and like they would have killed people over this. You know, in 1909 they didn't have that much food. They were just kind of like, well, I've got dandelions, I've got like barbed wire, and these. I'm eating Dots pretzel ripoffs that they taste like airplane pretzels that aren't good. There you go. I used to watch videos of people. You know what? Let me start the video game. Why don't we like actually start the video game?
Correct answer, Beta.
I went through a phase of watching this like lady eat crappy
Correct answer.
food. Thank you for 1,000 bits.
There.
Oh, man, I'm so glad I didn't like those. It's really embarrassing. Thank you, Justin, for all those bits. Holy crap. This game is so quiet right now. Sure, why not? Pokemon Trainer.
What is he playing? Oh, Smash.
Have fun with your stream, Justin. Thanks for dropping in.
Okay. Yep. There we go. I paid, just so we're clear, I didn't pay him until after he gave the right answer. Okay? Just saying. I didn't pay him until after. It's not a bribe. It's not a bribe if you pay him after he says the right thing. Okay. Okay. My heart is in one piece. What is that noise? Game screen. There we go. Okay, yeah. So we need more conversation. Why is he playing Smash Brothers? Okay, sorry. Things that my brain registers 5 minutes after I acknowledge them. It's gonna be a raid race at the end of stream. Nah, I'm just gonna end early. That'll actually, you know what? Thanks for saying that. I'm gonna put his stream up on the stream over here, and that way I can make sure that, you know, yeah. Okay. My brain's melting. Why is my controller drifting too? Hold on. Did I like have it like doing something when I plugged it in? Don't you just hate it when joysticks like are zeroed at the wrong thing because you plugged them in while you were holding the joystick? I have no idea what we were doing in this game. We were getting memories, right? Like that's where we left off. This is like a week ago now. Hold on. What have we been doing? Don't you just hate joysticks? No, I love joysticks. But oh yeah, so I want to talk about the Direct. That's what I wanted to talk about today. And I wanted to play this game, but I am now even more confused than I was. Okay, so we got the birth of the Demon King. Oh yeah, I remember that. Tear of the Dragon number 8. So does that mean we still have Tear of the Dragon number 9? I don't remember. But I can multitask. Can't I? Let's see. We did all those. I know we did the big one on the left. Did we do the shell? I don't think we've done the shell yet. Where's the shell? Oh yeah, we haven't done the shell. That's way over there. Okay, we are going for the shell, which is like way over here. So I'm gonna die. But look it, I don't even need to like leave the town to die. I just need to walk forward. Yep. I think we're on the same page, Tech. So yeah, so I was not expecting as many Mario games to be announced as Mario games were announced. So we got what, like 4 games? We got Super Mario RPG, right? We got the Princess game, which that intrigues me. I don't know how I feel about the Princess game. And then we've got Mario Wonder, which an elephant? Really? Elephant? I mean, okay. But it looked like they put some things in the game that aren't going to be reproducible in Super Mario Maker, so that's something. We really didn't do that temple. We're gonna walk towards that temple right there. Wait, do we do that? That's a shrine. Did we... I'm confused. Did we not get that map one? Apparently... Thought we did. Guess not. Looking forward to RPG. I'm hoping it finally makes it palatable to me. What? So, wait. Why was Super Mario RPG not palatable to you when it was on the Super Nintendo? No Tamagotchi life, this is true. Why are they attacking me? I'm running away. They're kind of fast. The bird's finally doing its job. So yeah, here was my thing. It's a remake, right? So like Link's Awakening. And I don't know if any of you have played the Link's Awakening remake and played the Game Boy remake. But the Link's Awakening remake kind of dumbed down the game. I mean, that's not exactly the best way to say it, but it didn't... I don't know, it wasn't a bad remake, it just wasn't necessary. And you do not want to play with a walkthrough from the starting area. Okay. I mean, I guess I kind of get how confusing it is, because there is a little bit of a, like a back and forth thing. How do I get this thing? Oh. That worked. So I don't know. I don't know how I feel about it. But I will say this. Based on the preview, I will buy the game for the soundtrack alone. I'm really hoping they add something to it. I don't know what they would add, but I really hope they add some content. And I'm really hoping that this is somehow a gateway to a new Mario RPG game with Geno. I don't think I'm going to get that, but I think that would be epic if they did something like that. We're just going to stay on this path for a little while. But I think out of all the things I was most excited about, it was the Mario RPG. Mario Wonder intrigues me. The Princess game intrigues me. Pikmin 4 intrigues me. The Pokemon DLC. I'm gonna say something controversial. I think I might be done buying Pokemon games. My son can buy them going forward if he really wants to play them. But I think for me personally, I might be done. And I say that because I think I have purchased the last 4 Pokemon games. So Pokemon Violet. I have both Violet and the other one. I have Pokemon Sword. I have Pokemon Moon. And what was before Pokemon Moon? I can't think. But I know this. 1, I haven't beaten any of them. 2, I don't even think I have more than 2 badges in any of them. Which, if you assume that a badge is like an hour, those games are not living up to my $1 per hour threshold. I mean, that is the world I'm living in. I think I streamed a total of 4 hours of one of the Pokemon games. Yeah, go watch them, Tech. They're solid. I'd watch them on stream. I guess I could watch them on stream right now, but And it's our first cool dude of the night. I also might... This is a big might, but I also might be getting an opportunity that we're going to need to prepare for on stream. I might be getting an opportunity to stream Minecraft on the homepage of Twitch. Which, I don't know if it's going to happen. But if it does... You really hate its art... Isn't it just the new Super Mario Brothers art style? Like, it's not... The art style's not that different, right? Do you hate the new Super Mario Brothers art style already, too? Well, so, Cash... I think... My thing about the Pokemon games... is... I just don't have... The collection and battling thing is just not compelling enough for me anymore. It's trying to be Flash-like. Okay. I mean, it didn't look that different to me. But maybe I was crazy. I thought it was new Super Mario Brothers like. Well, and that's it too, Cash. Like, the battling was kind of the one thing that was keeping me in it, and now it's not the same at all. I don't know. And actually, to some degree, I'm a little worried about Super Mario RPG for that reason too, because Super Mario RPG had, at the time, one of the best twists on the classic Square battle engine. And I agree with that entirely, that Pokemon is a collectathon game. That is really all it is now. Which I'm not okay with entirely. And it's too much of a collectathon. Like, it takes too much to collect everything. How can I help you, sir? Yeah, why'd you climb in the well? Right on going. Okay, we gotta help this poor guy out. What if we just repair the ladder? Don't think that was quite good enough. This guy's so particular about his ladder. Oh, speaking of Pokemon, there's one in chat. So if you want to take part in the collectathon, now's your chance. If I just do that, will it fix itself? There we go. You're not stuck, dude. I'm getting all the rupees tonight. Oh, Mario Kart DLC. That was the other thing I was excited about. And it sounds like it's in like a month. I don't know if I didn't see an exact date, but I may not have been paying close enough attention. But I'm ready for more Mario Kart. Falling brick. Weird tower. And Cash Spoon has caught a magneton. But yeah, I don't know. It was a pretty good direct. They didn't announce the new video game system, so that was a little disappointing. They didn't announce... I mean, they did announce, huge story here. Hey, partner, how you doing? Actually, let's just get to it. You always on the even keel. Wait, what? Got a very interesting lead about a missing princess. Well, call Mario. Pretty huge story. Sounds as if one night, a while back, and I'm not sure how far, Princess Zelda borrowed this stable's farm tools. It's a bit unusual. She promised to return them and didn't. Ugh. She's busy after all. Only the weapons decayed during the upheaval. Maybe the princess was in desperate need for tools. Wait! Pen. Hold on. You've gotten ahead of yourself. We need to gather the facts. When, where, who? I heard that a man named Urza lent her the tools. He's right around here, watches the stables raft. I heard. Let's get to work, partner. No, let's not. I have more important stories to investigate. So both RPG and Wonder have that child cartoon big head looking thing going on to a degree. I'm not a fan of that at all. That's fair. Actually, that was my first note, was how RPG did Tiny Mario. Which I think, at least I assume that's Tiny Mario. I will be very curious. But the music... chicken. I like chickens. Wait, there's a temple around here somewhere. So did anything else today of excitement happen? Where'd it go? I swear there was a temple here. Like, I'm not crazy. Okay, I might be crazy. Also, there's another well over here. Into the well. One of these times I'm gonna fall into a well and I'm gonna insta-die. For not looking in the well first. Slept the whole day? I'm jealous. I went to work. And I worked. Oh, that's interesting. There's something above us. Another well. In the middle of a bunch of bad guys. Oh, that's nice. So, well transportation system. Was there anything else about the Direct that intrigued me? Not really. Did they even... They didn't even have a Metroid thing, did they? Now that I'm thinking about it. They didn't have a, like, anything regarding Metroid 4. I don't know if that's a good thing or a bad thing. Why can I not grab you? There we go. I don't think this is the way I'm supposed to do this. It's not stopping me, though. I assume Ninja Weasel is playing Minecraft tonight, is that correct? Is he doing all the Minecraft fun? Achievement hunting, yep. That guy's got a wagon. I also need to record your voice lines, Cash. So you in the voice line things, you had given me like the file names and stuff. Do you want more than one version of each one to pick from? Or would that not be a good thing? Do you want me to just do my best and pick my favorite one and go from there? Oof. Bye. Okay, I feel like that took us... Did that take us backwards? No. Let's go up the hill. There's a tower there. We can maybe get the tower and ride it somewhere. Sounds good, Cash. I just worry that, like, on some of them, I'm gonna get the inflections wrong. Like, I'm gonna say it more angrily than it's intended. Or more sarcastically than it's intended. You know, it's context, right? The vanilla ones. Now, how about this? I'll take my best shot at what I think you want for each of them, and then if you don't like it, I can do it again. I'm being shot at again. I find it interesting that Beta is playing Brawl. I don't know why. Like, why is he playing Brawl tonight? Of all games. Hey, Dismon, how's it going? I wrote all of them with your normal voice and inflections in mind, so it shouldn't be that much of an issue. I know, but I love to overact. How strange. What's your problem, bird boy? Did you come to see the Skyview Tower? I did. My apologies. It looks like we have a small problem. I heard the terminal at the Skyview Tower needs repairs, so I came to fix it, but the door won't open. Door isn't locked, but it won't budge. So there's caves, so I can probably teleport my way up. Or maybe I can slide the doors. Nope. Let's go find one of these caves. Beta is doing the single-player campaign. Isn't the single-player campaign ginormous? I don't even think I've finished the single-player campaign in Smash Brothers. Not that I'm somebody that should be used as a bar to figure that out, but it's a huge campaign. And a confusing one, somewhat. Now you got me wanting to play Smash Brothers. Ooh, with a Switch Pro controller, too. I didn't even think about that. I thought it was... Wasn't that the one that had, like, 200 nodes or something like that? I thought it was huge. Maybe I'm crazy. Or maybe I'm confusing my game. Or games. Which one's Brawl? Yeah, now I'm not even sure. Which one is Brawl? Which one's the one on Switch? I'm losing all gamer credibility now. The Wii is Brawl. Oh, yeah, the Wii isn't as big. I was referring to the one on Switch. Sorry. So he's playing the Wii one right now. I mean, that's fair. That's fair, Tech. Okay, so, second topic of conversation that besides the Direct, as I mentioned, there is a chance, not a huge chance, but I think it's a pretty good chance, that I might have an opportunity to stream Minecraft on the front page of Twitch for like 3 hours. So the question is, what do we do with those 3 hours if I end up getting said time slot? I feel like we need to make it something really good. Something very entertaining. First is whitelist the servers. That might be a good idea. And then the message the entire day is, if you want to join our community, go follow JJDB210 on Twitch. Which, by the way, you're watching right now if you're lurking. Don't give people false expectations. I mean, yes. I'm with you on that, Charles. I don't want to go so far out of the realm of what we normally do. Like a month. We have like a month to figure it out, because I think it's July 24th and July 31st. But like, do we do... Maybe we do a... Maybe... Actually, you know what I probably won't have done by then? Maybe we do achievement hunting. And we simply get the bedrock achievements that I am currently missing. Because I'm a Minecraft streamer, Cash Spoon. What more information do you need than that? Why specifically on those days? Because those are the days that they asked me about. I mean, yes, this is true. Can only fit 10 people in a realm. Is there a massive Minecraft boycott? No. Are you saying I'm not a good enough Minecraft streamer to be on the front page? Is that what you're trying to say? If so, I completely understand. But I would like to point out that I am a family-friendly Minecraft streamer, which puts me in a slightly different category in the eyes of the brand sometimes. Wait, what? With Twitch for the community support? If they're supporting a Minecraft boycott by putting Minecraft on the homepage? Wait, now I'm really confused. What are we supporting? And what am I boycotting? And where am I? This looks like a town. Where am I on the map? I have no idea. Oh, isn't this Impa's town? It's Carrico Village! Wait, are the chickens still here? Building a lot of shaders for this village. Oh, hi chickens. I remember this place. You just thought people on the front page were streamers with the highest viewer counts? I didn't realize you could get an offer to be on it. So, yes. It is not the people with the highest view counts. Almost ever. I mean, that can be what it is, but, normally, in fact, like that with big exposure. Yeah, so, so this is, oh, I should have mentioned, there is another caveat to this. It won't be my channel on the homepage, which actually does pose another small problem. It would be me on the Xbox channel. Is what it would be in this case. Though, to answer your question about how you get on the front page, you didn't really ask a question about how you get on the front page of Twitch. But, if you are a partner, which I am not, but if you are a partner, yeah, JJDB for the Microsoft Xbox. Exactly, you got the right idea. Yeah, I may have left that little piece of information out. But if you're a partner, my understanding is you can reach out to your partner rep to get a time slot on the homepage. Like if you're doing something special or something. Yeah, not that Cash. I'm not that lucky. At least I don't think I am. I mean, maybe, but I don't think so. And you're right, it's not as cool from a follower standpoint, but I will take the exposure if I get it. If only for a screenshot that's not edited of me on the homepage. I wonder if I'll probably need to tweak my interface too. Yeah, exactly. I'll use my personality alone and probably not wear the Mario hat. Oh boy, I feel like I have to remove all of my branding. I can't talk about Dots pretzels. I suppose I could talk about them maybe. Can I eat them? Simply cover the M. I mean, actually, what if we finish building a new hat by then? That would be a great thing to get done. That would be beautiful. Tech, I've seen so many weird things on the homepage. I think if you were doing something, like if you ever plan on like having a really special stream, I mean like something like, I don't know, something that maybe is sign 44100. Yeah, maybe. I'm just trying to think like what because I enjoy all of your streams, Tech, so I'm trying to think what would make a stream special. Turning on the data generals for the first time. So yes, but I'm thinking maybe less special to your community and maybe more special to the entire world. Like, I don't know, I'm having a hard time with this. Like, maybe something centered around the Apple II. Or, you know, it'd have to be something really unique with the Apple II. But something that, like, more of the general public would know and understand than... Also, how am I not finding Impa's house? Isn't that Impa's house? I'm not paying any attention. Is that really you? Yeah, it is me. Right now, while our chief is the chief, former chief Lady Impa retired. Oh, now Lady Paya is chief of Kiriako Village, and I've been working as her assistant. But Lady Paya is ignoring her responsibilities. She won't listen to anything I say. All these ring runes have her full of ring runes. Even now, she's under one of the ring runes with the Zonai survey team. That rune over there. Okay, well. I guess I'll go talk to her. The general audience thing is a problem since most of the computers I have are older than their average. I mean, that's true too. But they know who Apple is, right? Like...
Yeah.
I should pay attention. Is that you, Master Link? I'm so happy that I get to see you again. Paya, the chief of Kiriako Village. Kids these days, yeah. I'm overjoyed that both you and Princess Zelda are safe. That's not true. I killed Zelda. Wait, no, I sent her back in time. What, Princess Zelda is still missing? Kind of. I know where she is. She's back in time. Just confuses the matter more. She ordered us all to stay far away from the ring rune that floats above us, no matter what. I saw her myself, the princess, right before my eyes. She left as soon as she arrived. I wasn't about to ask her anything more than those unusual... We thought it was to protect the villagers from harm. The rune doesn't look like it could does look like it crashed down at any moment. I was so pleased to see you, I completely forgot common courtesy. Sorry, the ring runes like the things floating in the air? Taro. I don't know why he's so... Maybe he's a Zonai. Or a descendant of a Zonai. Maybe he's got big funny ears and we just haven't seen him yet. Ooh, sages. Including a mention of the sages. There's still so much we don't understand. I think that perhaps the rune floating in the air also has a slab that makes mention of the sages. So, do we listen to Zelda's rules, or do we actively ignore Zelda's rules? I feel like we actively ignore them and see if we can cause a cataclysmic disaster for the village. Seriously? He stopped me in midair? What power does he have? I mean, that face could stop a whole bunch of things, but no, I'm just... That wasn't very nice. Haven't you heard? It's strictly forbidden to go near the ruin. So you better be on your way. Okay. The princess called him Dr. Clip? I'm not even allowed to walk over there? Okay, so how big is this kill plane? And can I get a... Seriously! Wait, third time's... Oh, he's now really mad at me? Oh. Okay, well, it seems I'm not allowed to go up there yet. It's like police tape. If I use my sword, I can just cut it. Okay, there's a temple up there. We're gonna go do that temple so that I have a teleportation point. Do. We could also do like a community build competition, or you know, fire up one of like Season 3 world. No, that'd be a bad idea. Season 3 world's old. Also, I wanted to go back and ask a question. So, which one, Super Smash Brothers Brawl is the Wii? So, Super Smash Brothers Melee is like the GameCube, right? Super Smash Brothers Regular is the N64, which makes Super Smash Brothers... What's the Switch one? Build competition. CNR 3 preview. Ooh, that'd be interesting. I don't think the Xbox channel would be overly thrilled with me promoting a PlayStation game. Just saying. Ultimate. Oh, Smash Brothers Ultimate. Okay. Ultimate's the one that has the single player mode that's like forever. That's what I was trying to get at earlier. Right? Like that's the one that like... You hate that mode. That's fair. These are the things that normally always level things, aren't they? So, like, if I turn it like this, and I hit this, that didn't exactly do what I was expecting. I feel like it should be able to be used as a slingshot. But maybe I'm making it more complicated than it needs to be. Yep, definitely was making it more complicated than it needs to be. I liked when Miitopia did this because it was a reasonable length, but when Smash Ultimate hit me with the LOL, you didn't actually beat the game and we're doubling the map size out of nowhere, yeah, you stopped playing. Interesting. I don't know that I've gotten to that point, so spoilers. No. No. I don't remember if it did or not. I think I would have played a lot more of it if they would have, like, required unlocks through it. But I never really got into the trophies thing. Like, needing all the different trophies and stuff. Can I use this to get over the fence? There is a snow runt in chat. If you'd like to catch it, now is your chance. Do. I don't know why I need all this stuff, but... Oh, there's a chest over there. That's why I need all this stuff. Although this is not a teleport one. Didn't think that through, did I? I don't know why I'm having so much trouble with this. No! 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 Why do the hats not work properly these days?
Number one victory.
No! Hey, why is that wobbling? What is happening? I broke the game! It's a Weeble. It's because it's top heavy and it can't get it sorted. Okay, so wait, you're saying I did the dumbest solution? Okay, well, then let's make it dumber. If we now know it can be used as a slingshot. Whee! Okay, I took a little fall damage, but you know. Fairy tonic. Nice. So that, it only applies to the thing on top. Interesting. Do. I don't know if I actually have to go to all this trouble, but I'm gonna pretend like I do. Seriously? Get in the hole! What's with the physics tonight? Wait, there was an intended solution? An intended solution to the ball? Like, let me guess. I was probably supposed to, like, catapult the ball over the thing. You guys and your intended solutions. We don't need no stinking intended solutions. Do. No! Are you kidding me? Here I was trying to build a giant catapult. Instead, it all fell apart. Let's see if this one's big enough, or if I'm gonna have to get two of them. Can't even get the ball in the hole. It's like golf. Where'd the ball go? I don't know if it worked or not. No! Only one good side quest in Breath of the Wild? All the other ones horrible? Is that what you're trying to tell me? Oh, golf. Yeah, they didn't announce a new Mario Golf game today. In fact, they did announce the Mario Rabbids game today, but they didn't announce a single Mario sports game today. How disappointing is that? See, now that thing's in our way. How are we supposed to do this? Can I shoot through the barrier? No, I can't. Yes, I can. No Mario Baseball. Good. Do you not like Strikers? Or Mario Tennis on the Virtual Boy? I mean, these are classics. Mario Strikers was a game I bought on the day it came out without knowing anything about it. We went to Walmart and the guy was like putting it, it was like midnight. We went to Walmart, he was putting it out there for the first time, and I was like, is that a new Mario game? He's like, yeah, just came out just now. And I'm like, oh, can I have it? And then I bought it. And we went back to my house at midnight, literally, and we played this game not knowing anything about it. And the four of us that were all like at Walmart that night at midnight, don't ask questions. We all had a really good time playing that game. Now, maybe video games are better at 2 in the morning after you were at Walmart at midnight, but I just like to say it's a great multiplayer game. Did I, like, forget to skip the cutscene? But Strikers was good. I do like Strikers. Mario Tennis for the Virtual Boy, good sports game. Mario Golf on the Game Boy, that was my jam back in the day. Mario Golf, in general, I'm generally a pretty big fan of. Trying to think what Mario sports games I don't like. Does it reduce load times in the way I'm playing it? Gotta remember, I'm not playing on a Switch. I think we're going like right here. You need to find like one of them falling bricks. We're also facing the wrong direction. This is a lot of effort to watch a video clip tonight. I'm just saying. Also, is it always raining over here? Or is that just specific to tonight? The carrots are still here? This town has not changed. Wait, is this how I came in? Maybe. No, I didn't come in here. Because I saw the chickens when I came into town. So, going back out this way. Yeah, no, I didn't notice any changes at all. Exactly like Breath of the Wild. Because pretty much the only thing I noticed in Kariko Village and Breath of the Wild was the chickens and the carrots. And then they were still there. So, yeah, exact same town. There's a giant beam of something coming from the sky. See, that is coming from the sky, right? Not going up to the sky. Like, it's clearly moving downward, right? Hey, it's Sign Boy. Good to see you again, Sign Boy. You know, if I don't help you, I feel bad. I feel obligated to help you. And I feel like if I was better at this, I could help you more, but... That looks pretty good. There, that should hold. There is a Pokemon in chat for those of you trying to catch Pokemon. Exclamation point, Poke catch. There should be, if somebody hasn't created it already, there should be an Addison class speedrun on speedrun.com. Complete all the Addison challenges. We'll call it propaganda percent. All right, you have a question? Wait, what is your question? I might have an answer. Congratulations on your catch, Dismond. Oh, that is what I was going to say about Mario Wonder. Tech was complaining about the art style. I remember what I was going to complain about. I don't think it should be a Mario game. I think it should be a Yoshi Story game. Sorry, my brain just caught something on Beta's stream, and it reminded me of what I actually thought about Wonder. That's what I remember thinking about it. I need this rain to stop. I'm in an area where rain is not going to help me. There's a dragon way over there. And they have been making... I mean, yes, they have been making Yoshi games. That's true, too. But it felt... Everything about it when I was watching it felt like Yoshi's Story. That's what I was seeing. Other than the world map. The world map was not very Yoshi's Story, but that's what it felt like to me. And the music wasn't great either. Apparently I'm defining games by their music today. And the Mario game music was not as good. Not as good as the remastered Super Mario RPG music, that's for sure. I was all about that. We all have our opinions. Okay, do we see the artwork from here? I don't think I see it yet. Don't the Zora live over here somewhere? That's Sign Boy down there. Suppose we should go help him. That guy moves fast, though. So fast. He should be like the mailman. I haven't seen the mailman in this game yet. Maybe they left him out. I also haven't seen the guy that dresses up like me. Weeble? No, what's his I don't remember his name. Wendell? Werble? I feel like it starts with a W. Character animation has so much more personality and life put into it compared to the new Super Mario Brothers games. See, now that kind of comment about the angle, that's going to be one of those things where once you see it, you can't unsee it. Really? In Super Mario Brothers 3, he wasn't I'm pretty sure he was facing sideways. 45 degrees? No. What Mario game were you playing? How is that 45 degrees? No, I'm just going to try this. It's not going to work, but I'm going to try it anyway. Wow, that actually did work. Okay, it didn't work. Yeah, I don't know. You only see half of his face, though. That's my point. I'm with Tech. You're seeing half of him. Which means he's facing 90 degrees to the camera. Not 45. I know my angles. Some days of the week. I feel like that should hold it. Let's try it again. Wait, you were wrong? Wait, okay, hold on. SMB3 Sprite. Oh, he is! Well, No, this is confusing. When he jumps, he's at 45. When he stands still, he's at 90. I mean, you know, this is gonna bother me a little bit. Hold on. 90, 90, 90, 90, 90, 90, 45. Well, I'm going to call this 33. 33, 33. 33, 33. 33, 33. When he's little, he's at 90. When he's big, he's at 45. That's going to bother me for the rest of my life. You guys have ruined Super Mario Brothers 3 for me. I'm just saying, you've ruined it. Be so much weirder at a flat 90. I mean, the little Mario's flat 90. Although even there's a little bit of an angle, I guess, if you look at like his trousers. You can see his trouser button sometimes. That's so weird. Okay, it didn't work again. That's... When he's... Now, I'm really confused. I'm even more confused when he's in the Froggy suit. Because the Froggy head looks like it's at 45. But the rest of him looks like it's at 90. That's even more confusing. He's just wearing the frog suit crooked. I mean, is that what he's doing? Okay, if that doesn't hold, well, I'll try something else. Okay, well. I don't even know what to think. Now I'm looking at the characters in the side scroller that Beta 64 is playing right now, and I think they're at 90 degrees to the camera. I will die on a hill that higher resolution images should avoid angle trickery. Have him wobble and move his head around when running so you don't see the whole face, but it should not be locked towards the camera. I love how Wonder is a re-examination of everything 2D Mario after 5 near-identical games, like new sound design, no timer, new jump animations. In Ultimate, they changed it from 90 to 45. I thought Ultimate was just fighting. Were there actually levels? Not yet. Now I want to play Smash Brothers even more. Do. I do like all the free stuff he likes to give me. No. Go ahead and disrupt. It's all good. I'm just completely and utterly in shock. Unless you want to keep it private. I'm perfectly okay with that too. But I like random questions. did change the angles of... So wait, are you telling me all the fighters are fighting at 45 degrees to each other? Question is big. Like, it's a long question. It'd take me an hour to read. Or it's a loaded question. Like, what I answer might determine the fate of a small country in North America. Wait, is there a small country in North America? I guess it depends on how you classify the islands. Are the islands technically part of North America? This is gonna bother me now too. Which America? I mean, I think Central America is part of North America. Oh, you're right. There's probably some small countries down there too, isn't there? Actually, I don't know where Mexico ends. Now I need a map. This is gonna bother me. Chile, a small country. I thought Chile was in South America. Yeah, I'm pretty sure Chile is not in North America. I'm gonna stand by Cash Spoon's assessment of that because I'm pretty sure isn't Chile the country on the west side of South America? Okay, so but you want to know if Chile's a small country? Depends on what we're measuring. I'm gonna go with no. They're pretty large. I mean, like Vatican City, that's a small country. Or Luxembourg, which, by the way, Luxembourg, I want to live there someday, maybe. If I have to pick a European country to live in, I think it starts with like Norway or Sweden, one of those two countries, and then maybe Iceland. I might put Iceland on the top 3 there, but I think Luxembourg is definitely in 4th. I mean, they even have their own language called Luxembourgish. That, I don't know if anybody actually speaks it anymore there, but still. The fact that they have their own language, that's pretty nifty for a small country, if you ask me. And I feel like nobody ever talks about going to war with them. Any Luxembourgers in chat? I don't know if we have any Luxembourgers. I'm gonna doubt we do. Do. I don't really know where I'm going. Your hope for past territorial expansion? Well, Russia seems to have proved otherwise, but, we'll see. I don't know. I was talking with my dad about that over the weekend, that, the internet is definitely changing, like, the way we view countries in a number of ways. Monopoly on the name Luxembourg. I kind of wonder if anybody has ever made a Monopoly version for Luxembourg. And if so, what's Boardwalk? Probably the capital city, which is Luxembourg, I think. I think Luxembourg is the capital of Luxembourg. Which is one of those confusing things to say. Like a giant wall over there. The Borg over there. Weird bad guys fighting with each other. red shiny stuff. Tower way up on a hill. I don't want to go to that tower, but I want the video, which I feel like the video is still more north. So I feel like we gotta head that way. Do we go to the tower and then fly that way? I feel like the tower is a really long climb, though. The entire country's boardwalk. Could work. It's good country. Okay, I'm gonna try to go for the video. I'll come back for the map tower. Even better. Forget coming back for the tower. We're getting the tower. I like the falling rocks. Hopefully it was enough to get me over here. We'll see. Or I'll fall to my death. Yeah, we're good. Oh, don't tell me the doors are closed here too. Nope. Good. So basically, I have these two giant folders with 2,000 files each, and I need these two folders to have different files with identical file names. Need these two folders to have identical files with identical file names. So I need some sort of sorting algorithm or something to determine what file names are in one folder, but not in the other. And I'd figured I'd ask you if you know how to do that. So like you're trying to say like in folder A there's files 1 to 10,000, and in folder B, you know, let's just say there's 9,000 files over there. You want to know what the 1,000 missing files are? How would I do that? If you have a programming language on your PC, that would generally be the first thing I would do. I mean, you could try to do it with like a command line for loop, but I don't know how easily that... I'd have to think what the command line script, batch script for that would be. But what I would probably do if I didn't want to take the time to write that program is I would probably get a file list and put it into Excel. And then I get a file list for the other side and put that in Excel, and then run down the list wherever there was a mismatch between the columns to find the files I didn't want, or to find the gaps. Depending on how many you think you're missing. I'm just trying to think what I would do fast if I didn't have a programming language. But programming would be the fastest if you've got if you got C# installed or something like that. I do a open dir. So there's in pretty much every language there's a way to get the files in a directory. Loop over that and check for the existence of that file in the other folder. It should be a very simple, probably 6-line loop. If you've got C# or something to test with or code with. Otherwise, I don't think there's any magical compare directory function in Windows. Sadly. And we are way up here. That launched us into the clouds. I might be able to write you a small program. Pretty quick. Because I think I have C# installed. That's what he's looking for, Tech, yeah. Can you think of a way to do that in Windows quickly? With a batch script, I'm guessing? I just can't think what command I would use to do that with a batch script. It's been too long. I haven't written batch in a long time. There's our artwork! I found our artwork! We're gonna stop on this little island first, though. I don't know how I feel about swimming in water on a floating island. There's a ferry up here. Can I grab the ferry? Rusty shield, rusty sword. Let's get rid of a weapon. I don't like this one. There we go. Ooh, what's this one? Rusty broadsword as well. There's a lot of swords up here. I need to remember this place. Sweet! This thing has engines! There's more engines over there. We could build a plane. We could steer! Oh, yes! And it's not using any battery! Oh, never mind. It's using battery. Do I get to use Windows Subsystem for Linux? That's a little bit of an install for him. Not too bad, though. So will it go to my battery once it runs out of battery? Yes, yes it will. And oh, does it go through battery fast. And now it's falling to its death. Doesn't matter though, we're gonna get to the artwork. Glide! Dive! Glide! Oh, I forgot to look for the eye. Eye. Where's the eye that looks funny? None of them. Mm-hmm. Doesn't sound like a fun little challenge, though, to write that script. Not all that hard. Okay, I don't see it over there. It kind of looks like it. Do-do-do. Do-do-do. What am I not seeing? This one isn't that big. Oh, found it. Do. I might write you a quick little program here in a minute. You just need it in like a list of like the file names, just text list. Hey, we'll do it on stream because we missed dev thing, and we'll watch this clip and then we're gonna do it. We're gonna divert. What do you mean no hat, Cassandra? Also, there's a Pokemon in chat.
King Rauru, we just received word that the lost free village in the Gerudo Desert has fallen. At this rate, the Demon King's army will overwhelm us.
I understand. Our only hope is for me to defeat the Demon King.
Rauru. The Demon King. He is not someone you can stop by yourself. But you are not alone. You have the Gerudo, Goron, Zora, and Rito leaders as well as Zelda. And of course, you can count on me.
Teamwork. Oh, sorry, Cassandra. Here, I got you.
Something I'd like to show you all.
Hat's fine. It's the bot that's misbehaving. Need to write a new bot. Ooh, more power.
Sacred stones.
Stand with me. I need all your aid.
Why are they all wearing those funny hats?
We all, gathered here, swear on our lives to serve Rauru, the King of Light.
Okay, so those are the 6 sages, right? The four Zelda plus Rauru, right? That's the 6 sages? Is my math right? Now I need to go back and play Ocarina of Time. Okay, let's just look where the last one is. Oops, wrong button. Map, album. The last one is that one, and it is right where we started. The bottom middle of the map, right? Yeah, bottom middle of the map. Let me see if I can just jump there. We started... I mean, it should be like right here, right? Because that's the castle. 7 sages? I thought there were 6. Maybe I'm wrong. Let me see if I have C#.net installed. C#. VS Studio is what I actually want. Pretty sure I have it installed. We'll see if it comes up here in a second. Okay, so we're at a shrine. The dragon that way. And there's a block. Okay, we're gonna run to that block. We're gonna let it take us airborne and see what we can see. Okay, where'd that block fall? Also, there's a well here. Let's at least get the well. Also, is there no music in this game? Like, no ocarina, or have I just been missing it the whole time? I just haven't found it yet. Okay, the stone. I saw the stone fall out of the sky. Where did it land? Did it land up there? There is no instrument you play. Oh, see. Was there in Breath of the Wild? That's kind of sad. I mean, that's a classic mechanic right there. I think that's our fallen stone, is it not? Nope, it's not. There's our artwork, though. I think. Seriously, where'd that one stone fall? Maybe it's that rock over there? At least I assume that's our stone. There's a boat down there. Falls out of the sky, but I can't find it again. It's kind of disappointing. Why is Visual Studio being so lame? .net apps all. I miss the Windows 98 start menu. I had that thing down to an art. Also, I lost track of where I was going. And it's raining. And I want to help Cash. But I'm also too lazy to code. I'm going to do it anyway. We're going to save right here. because I've lost track of where I'm going. And we'll get the next one. We'll catch that one in the next one. But we're going to do a little coding just for the fun of it. And just see if we can make this happen real quick here. So, software and game development. Sure. Goodbye. Legend of Zelda Tears of the Kingdom. Am I sure I want to close Yuzu? Yes. Microsoft Visual Studio. Create new project. Show the desktop. We are going to create a Windows Form app. We're going to call this Cache Folders. Next. Sure. Create. This is one of the things I used to love about Visual Studio apps more than anything, was that I could just throw stuff together quickly. We'll see if I still have it in me. It's been a long time since I've done something like this. Just load the designer, please. There we go. So here's what we're going to do. All common Windows forms. We are going to do a... this one. Nope. File system. It's going to be a file... File system, folder, browser. It's a dialog box, though. That's weird. Image list, link label, list box, list view, notify, open file dialog? Maybe. Page, progress, property, radio, rich text, save file dialog, blah, 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 blah. Oh man, this has been a while. Okay, so we're gonna do this. We're gonna put a text box. We're gonna drag it. We're gonna put it right here. We're gonna come over here. We're gonna set it to multi-line. Multi-line true. There we go. Okay, so we got a text box. Then we're gonna do this. We're gonna put we're just gonna put 2 more text boxes. That'll work. Text box here. We'll call this we'll call it text box 2 for now. And then this will be text box 3. And we're just going to then put a button. I'm going to ignore all niceties for the moment and just get this to work. So what we're going to do is we're going to double click the button. It'll bring up the code editor. And there we go. Okay, so we've got the button click. So what we want to do is we need a string. We already have a string. We don't even need that. We just need to get the files. So we're going to need an array for that of all the file names. That's going to be a string array, I believe. We'll call that files, and I think it's called directory. Directory dot get files, get directories, returns the name of subdirectories, including, we don't care about subdirectories. Get files returns the name of files, including their paths in the specified directory. So it'd be get files text box 2 dot text, which will be the other path. And then what we're going to do, just to make sure it's working, we're going to do for each. That's not what I wanted. for each string file in files. Yeah, that's right. Text box 1 dot text plus equals file plus new line. Start without debugging. Let's just see if this gets me a list of all the files. There will be build errors. Would I like to run from? No, I don't want to run from. I want to know what the build error. Text box does not contain definition text. What? Okay. It's complaining about that. Let's try that again. Also, a gloom has appeared in chat. Okay, so we got this here. We're going to type C:\/ in the first text box. We're going to hit the button. Oh, look at that. It did everything but the new lines. Because in Windows, it's RN. C:\/ boom. Hey, look at that. Okay, so we have a text box with all the files in directory 1. So now we're going to do string other files, and we're going to do directory get files text box 3. Okay, right? So now we have 2 arrays, right? And then I think this gets them alphabetically, does it not? Let's run the program again just to see if they are alphabetical. I don't know why they wouldn't be. Yeah, they are. So because they're alphabetical, we can just go file by file, can we not? But we have to increment. So int. There's probably a better way. There's probably like an in array check we could do. Actually, that might be better. String. But the path. We need to remove the path from the file name. Can I feel like there's a short way to do that too that I'm forgetting. Get files like .get. There's like a way to remove get just file name from path C#. String. So it's just get file name path. Let's try that. Didn't like that. What's the problem? Identifier. That line of code I didn't finish. Okay, so C:\/ now it should just give me file names. Or it should crash. What went wrong? Oh, because I didn't put anything in that line. So we're just going to comment that out and then continue. There we go. So it just gave me the file names, no path. So we're good on that front. C#. I'm Googling this because I don't know if C# has an in array function. Array.contains. So if other files, so we're going to turn this back on. If other files dot contains file, except file isn't good enough. We need oh no, we need to repair the array first. For each string file in other files. Other files. I need the key. Now I'm forgetting my syntax here. For each C#. Type variable name in array for each string I in car. But how do I get the key? For each print array, for each. Well, we'll just not use a for each. That'll work. For int I equals 0, I is less than other files dot length. Ooh, I like the predictive thing that's going on here. I plus plus. Other files I equals path get name. Other files I. Okay, so that's gonna replace all of. It's going to replace all the other files with just the file name, so it's simple. So then, if other files contains file, except we don't want it to contain file, if it does not contain file, then spit out file. I don't know why this is tabbed in more than it should be, right? So we normalize the other files, right? And then we loop over and we say that. So let's run the program. There were build errors. No. Where's my missing curly bracket? I have an extra curly bracket. How do I have an extra curly bracket? Because my for loop has one here and it doesn't need one. Okay, so let's just try this. So we'll type in C / and we should get nothing. And we got everything. Why did we get everything? Because file is not clean here. We need to clean that as well. Stop, play, C:, C:. Gave us nothing. That's exactly what we would have expected. Now, I need two directories that are similar but not identical. Let me find a folder I feel safe with on stream. Okay, this will work. So this folder and those folders, there's a mismatch, so we should get two files back, controller.php and db.xml. Perfect. If I reverse them, I would get all of the files in C. Run it again with this folder in this slot. I'm getting an identical result. Why am I getting an identical? Oh, because I didn't clear out the box. Yeah, so I'm getting nothing. If I copy this and I put it into this folder, I'm just confirming that my code does in fact work. But for some reason, my ability to copy and paste is completely broken. So I have two folders here. One that has, this one's inside this folder. I'm gonna hit the button and it gives me the one file that's missing from both. So that is a working program. I'm not going to explain it any more than that on stream, but I will do this cache. I will compile it to an exe. Actually, I think I already have technically. I will send you the exe, path 1 here, path 2 here, hit this button, files will go in this box. Pretty straightforward, right? Not bad for what? 5 minutes? 10 minutes? I don't know. I think I did a pretty good job, did I not? We are going to raid. Did Ninja already end stream? I think he did. Oh no, he's still streaming. We're gonna raid Ninja Weasel Plays. Raid Ninja Weasel Plays. So yeah, you got a little software dev tonight. You got a little Zelda. We got a video in Zelda that was great. We'll be back tomorrow, I believe, for probably Minecraft. Maybe. Probably Minecraft. Maybe something else. I'm debating. I'm thinking. We'll see. So with that though, I appreciate you guys hanging out tonight. Hope you had fun. With that, stay healthy, stay safe, and until next trip, see ya. Boom. Oh yeah, I got end stream, don't I?